Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 9. Hear, O Yisrael, you are to pass over the Yarden this day, to go in to possess the nations greater and mightier than yourself, great cities, also fortified to the heavens, a great and tall people, the children of the Anakim, whom you know, for you have heard who can stand before the children of Anakim. Therefore, understand this day that Yahuwah your Elohim is he who goes over before you, a consuming fire. He will destroy them, and he will bring them down before your face, so that you will drive them out and destroy them quickly, as Yahuwah has said to you. So do not speak in your heart after Yahuwah your Elohim has cast them out before you, saying, "It's because of my righteousness Yahuwah has brought me in to possess this land." But it is because of the wickedness of these nations Yahuwah drives them out from before you, not because of your righteousness, nor for the uprightness of your heart do you go to possess their land. But for the wickedness of these nations Yahuwah your Elohim drives them out from before you, also that he may perform the word which Yahuwah swore to your fathers, Abraham, Yitzhak, and Jacob. Therefore understand that Yahuwah your Elohim does not give you this good land to possess it because of your righteousness, for you are a stiff-necked people. Remember, do not forget that you provoked Yahuwah your Elohim unto wrath in the wilderness, from the day that you departed from the land of Mitzrayim until you came to this place. You have been rebellious against Yahuwah. Also, in Horeb you provoked Yahuwah to wrath, so that Yahuwah was angry enough with you to destroy you. When I went up into the mount to receive the stone tablets, the tablets of the covenant which Yahuwah made with you, then I abode in the mount 40 days and 40 nights. I did not eat bread nor drink water. Then Yahuwah delivered to me the 2 stone tablets, written with the finger of Elohim, and on them was according to all the words that Yahuwah spoke with you in the mount out of the midst of the fire during the day of the assembly. And it came to pass at the end of the 40 days and 40 nights that Yahuwah gave me the 2 stone tablets, the tablets of the covenant. And Yahuwah said to me, "Arise, get yourself down quickly from hence, for your people, who you have brought from Mitzrayim, are corrupted. They have quickly turned aside from the way which I commanded them. They have made themselves a maskah." Also, Yahuwah spoke to me, saying, "I have seen these people, and behold, it is a stiff-necked people. Let me alone, that I may destroy them, and blot out their name from under the heavens. And I will make a nation of you, mightier and greater than them." So I turned and came down from the mount, and the mount burned with fire, and the 2 tablets of the covenant were in my 2 hands. Then I looked and saw you had sinned against Yahuwah your Elohim. Having made yourselves a maskah, you had turned aside quickly out of the way which Yahuwah had commanded you. Therefore I took the 2 tablets and cast them out of my 2 hands, and broke them before your eyes. Then I fell down before Yahuwah, like in the beginning of the 40 days and 40 nights. I did not eat bread nor drink water, because of all your sins which you have sinned. by doing wickedness in the sight of Yahweh, to provoke him to anger. For I was afraid of the anger and hot displeasure with which Yahweh was wroth against you to destroy you. But Yahweh hearkened unto me at that time also. And Yahweh was very angry with Aharon to have destroyed him. So I prayed for Aharon at that time too. Then I took your sin, the calf which you made, and burnt it with fire, and crushed it, grinding it very small, until it was as small as dust. And I cast its dust into the brook that descended out of the mount. Furthermore, at Taberah, and at Mushah, and at Kibrut Hattawa, you provoked Yahweh to wrath. Likewise, when Yahweh sent you from Kadesh Barnea, saying, Go up and possess the land which I have given you. But you rebelled against the commandment of Yahweh, your Elohim, and did not believe him, nor hearken to his voice. You have been rebellious against Yahweh since the day that I've known you. Thus I fell down before Yahweh 40 days and 40 nights, like I fell down because Yahweh said he would destroy you. Therefore I prayed unto Yahweh, and said, O Adonai, Yahweh, do not destroy your people and your inheritance, who you have redeemed through your greatness, who you have brought from Mitzrayim with a mighty hand. Remember your servants Abraham, Yitzhak, and Jacob. Look not at the stubbornness of these people, nor to their wickedness, nor to their sin, lest the land that you brought us from says, because Yahweh was not able to bring them into the land which he promised them, and because he hated them, he has brought them out to slay them in the wilderness. However, they are your people and your inheritance, who you brought out by your mighty power and by your outstretched arm. At that time Yahweh said to me, Cut yourself 2 stone tablets like the first, and come up to me into the mount, and make yourself an ark of wood. Then I will write on the tablets the words that were in the first tablets that you broke, and you will put them in the ark. Therefore I made an ark of shittim wood, and 2 stone tablets hewed like the first. And I went up into the mount, having the 2 tablets in my hand. Then he wrote on the tablets, according to the first writing, the 10 commandments, which Yahweh spoke to you in the mount out of the midst of the fire during the day of the assembly, when Yahweh gave them to me. So I turned and came down from the mount. Also I put the tablets in the ark, which I had made, and there they are, as Yahweh commanded me.